On June 5th, YEA, the first electric technology platform integrating software and hardware in the commercial vehicle industry, was launched in Yutong's Global Release Conference for Commercial Vehicle Technology brand, setting off a new wave of technology revolution and value enhancement.
今天的锐控冉冉而来。
What is YEA? YEA consists of cross-domain C architecture and the first operating system for commercial vehicles, YOS, both of which are independently developed by Yutong. C architecture is made of central computing unit, multi-in-one controller, intelligent cockpit, and driver assistance domain controller. While the traditional distributed architecture relies on piling up hardware to meet customer needs, C architecture highly integrates vehicle hardware and the number of controller is reduced from several dozens to less than 10. That means a few domain controllers can be used to control, drive all electronic parts and sensors to enable more accurate and faster control, thus more efficient and safer driving. YOS is an auto operating system based on C architecture. YOS is to Yutong what iOS is to iPhone and Windows to PC. It brings an end to the unavailability of software system in the commercial vehicle industry. The operating system can put vehicle hardware and software under unified management and control despite hardware difference. Leveraging the big data of Yutong's 170,000 NEVs and 36 billion kilometers of operation mileage, it can effectively identify user needs to provide the most suitable vehicle control strategy. C architecture and YOS lay the technological groundwork of YEA, which features high integration, scalability, and self-evolution, with computing power up by 200% and control efficiency doubled. It also supports the vehicle's life cycle OTA upgrade to bring intelligent driving, riding experience, and operation safety. If new energy commercial vehicles are compared to people, then YOS is the thinking and C architecture the brain. Creative thinking, flexible brain, together with a strong body made of 7 assemblies, including a new generation of high-safety, ultra-energy battery, all-in-one silicon carbide power domain controller, and a new generation of efficient and lightweight integrated electric drive axle. A person with the smartest brain and the strongest body takes shape. YEA delivers 3 values: more economical, durable, and convenient. More economical. It enables efficient operation, with range up by over 10%, while operation cost down by 20%. More durable. YEA brings safer, more reliable, and smoother operation with attendance rate up to 99% and steady running lasting 1.5 million kilometers. More convenient. YEA allows intelligent operation, bringing 7 days a week and 24 hours a day of carefree and reassuring experience. In short, longer range, better reliability, and more convenience. The launch of YEA brings real changes to the commercial vehicle industry, where technologies were mixed and patched together in its transition from fuel to electrification. The advent of YEA builds a tech platform in its true sense. It is a demonstration of Yutong's mastery of core technologies in new energy commercial vehicles. Its software and hardware, self-development, and deep integration capabilities and abilities in making safer, more reliable, efficient, and intelligent new energy commercial vehicles to meet personalized needs of various market segments, serving as a perfect embodiment of Yutong's core competitiveness in commercial vehicles. YEA currently covers 3 scenarios of travel, operation, and logistics, and has been applied to the company's buses, trucks, and special vehicles products. As user needs and application scenarios continue to expand, YEA will keep evolving to create greater value for customers and society.